Welcome to From Idea to Impact, the 2-year AI journey of Professionals Lobby. We tested over 20 AI tools so you don't have to, distilling 2 years of experience into a video about leveraging AI for unprecedented growth. Our journey followed a zero-cost growth model, achieving significant results without a traditional development budget. We've generated over 500 SEO-optimized web pages and 100 cinematic brand videos and shorts, all with an AI-first DNA. ChatGPT, specifically GPT-4, was our strategic brain, the irreplaceable co-pilot that helped validate our business model and draft 70% of early content. Its capabilities span strategy, ideation, JavaScript debugging, and site structuring. DeepSeek provided full-stack velocity, acting as the, quote, ghost developer that never sleeps. It generated production-ready HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, automated dynamic tabs, and engineered responsive layouts for over 500 pages. Notebook LM was our silent hero for business storytelling. It turned raw notes into pitch decks, explainer videos, and stunning presentations in minutes, offering features like automated slide decks and instant document-to-infographic conversion. We orchestrated the senses using multiple tools for visuals and sound. Nano Banana for hyper-realistic aesthetics, wan.video for 4K cinematic storytelling, CapCut for post-production, and aimusic.so for crafting a distinct sonic identity. This table provides an honest review of our ultimate AI tool stack, detailing the pros and cons of each tool in its domain, from strategy with ChatGPT to video production with CapCut and wan.video. The zero-cost flywheel maintains 100% AI-first velocity. It starts with strategic ideation, moves to rapid development, achieves value realization with significant cost savings, and is amplified by media generation. I didn't just accelerate our operations, it sparked original intellectual property. This includes the Lobo AI engine, published thought leadership, and the Lobo framework, a trademarked, structured consulting methodology. At Professionals Lobby, AI is at the core, with experts by your side. Our services are always learning, powered by a 20-plus tool AI stack, benefit from vetted, human-in-the-loop expertise, and are specifically engineered for the Middle Eastern market. We are the UAE's first AI-native consultancy ecosystem, connecting businesses with the right experts, powered by risk mitigation and AI across various domains, including legal, tax and accounting, and ERP solutions. Build faster, spend less, and scale smarter. AI is no longer a support function. It is the foundation of modern consulting. Start your chat or partner with us today. Professionals Lobby.
Professionals Lobby. Grow, connect, succeed.